This week's video is sponsored by DigiView Security Limited. See what you've been missing. So if you have a home, office, anything you want security system for, leaving them link in the description. Please go check them out, alright? So with that said, let's start the video like this. So for this week, we'll be installing Dashcam. Very easy, very simple on the car. So let's go. Alright, so first off, I choose a mounting position for the camera. I choose right here. You do a basic mock-up. So you know the camera I can put here. Input wires are. So we're gonna run the wires via the roof to the left side A pillar. Come back under the dashboard. Make a connection where it really is. So the first thing you want to do, start with the wiring. So now we get our wires from the center of our windscreen, where we will be mounting the camera to the roof, to our A pillar, underneath our dash, and out with the radio wire harnesses. So we're going to make the connections now. Mount the camera. Go for a test run. This is very simple. We have our 3 wires from our camera: grounds, remote, live. So we will be tapping in the existing harness for the same ground, remote, and live, exact same color code. Okay, so now our camera is installed. Get around to the operation, right? So this is our camera. As you can see on the screen here, it has the ID and password for logging in. First, we are going to change the language of the camera from Chinese to English. So to do that, you go in the menu, camera menu. Here you see Wi-Fi on or off. You go back, then you select the 4th option. So you have 1, 2, we're on the second one, 3, that's the date and time, 4. So we select the 4th one, which is language. Select. Then at the top you have English. You go up to the top, select English. So now our device is in English. So now what I always do is to format the SD card, prevent data failure in the future. I always format SD card. So now we go back. We're just going to check to see if any data is being recorded. So we go back to our menu. We go to file, playback. You have normal, event, or pictures. So we now go to, let's just go to normal. That's what we have recorded so far. So you can click on it and you see that that's what we have recorded. You can go back to the live stream. You see that there's a car there now. It's not in the playback. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to install the DVR MT software and get this to show on your mobile device. Alright, so first you go to Google Play Store, then you go to the search bar, you type DVR N3 DVR / N3, and then you select this one with this icon, the top one, and click install. And wait for installation. Now the app is installed. Just open the app. See, there's a warning prompt here. I've logged in before, so I'll get this. Just click confirm. Then you go to the ID, which you see here, car underscore DVR dash. You get a picture of that one. Click that. Re-enter the password. The password is normally 123456789 as you see here. You just click show password just to ensure that you get all your numbers right. Then you're connected. Wait for connection. Alright, so now we are connected. You click cancel there. You're going to wait for another prompt message that is here. Click that message. Just click yes, and you're connected. So now you're seeing the live stream. That's your camera. See, so I'm going in front of the car now. Into the front of the vehicle. So you can see me there. I'm going to wave. I'm going to come back in the car. So that's it, guys. That's the finished product. See right there, we're network streaming on our cell phone. So that's it. See, I'm seeing the exact same thing the camera is seeing, except I put my hand over the camera here. See, you can't see that there. I know it's not the camera on the phone. You are definitely using this camera. So look. See, that's in the car.